Export mode in Premiere Pro has been redesigned, offering a fast path through exports. The biggest advantage of the new layout is the ability to customize your own export setup. Export mode is arranged around destinations and presets. Choose a destination, and a suitable preset is presented. If that's all you need, you're good to go. Just hit export. But you can customize this workflow and populate the dropdown so it only shows the presets you need, which saves you time on every export going forward. To do that, open up the Preset Manager. You can find that right here. Search for the preset you need. I'm going to choose ProRes because it's a common codec I use frequently, and hit star to favorite it. And of course, you can hit the star again to deselect it. And this is also a good way of removing the built-in presets if these are not what you need. And now you have a nice tidy list that only shows you the presets that you use. And you can take this further by saving your own custom presets. Here's how that works. I recommend finding an existing preset that's close to what you need and start with that. Then use the accordion dropdowns to customize everything and get as specific as you need. Use these three dots next to the preset dropdown and choose Save Preset and give it a name. Custom presets are automatically added to your favorites, and you can use them anytime you export. And another thing, I can add additional media file destinations and then use my presets to do multiple exports to different formats at the same time, such as H.264 low-res and a ProRes HQ archival version. Spending the time to curate your presets list to only the presets you use means that each time you go to export, you don't have to think too hard about choosing the right export preset. And don't forget, your export presets are also available in Quick Export, so you can export your sequence anytime without even leaving the editing workspace. And finally, in export mode, Premiere Pro can upload your videos directly to online platforms like YouTube as part of the export. By default, it uploads as private, so you can check it before making it public. This saves time compared to manually uploading, and you still get a local copy of the exported file. Now, I know that changes can be disruptive, but once you get familiar with the new workflow, I hope you'll discover its advantages. And if you still prefer the old interface, that's okay. You can send your exports over to Media Encoder, which has the same UI you're used to. But that doesn't mean we're done. Let us know what needs to be better. Think of the new export workflow as a framework, a solid foundation to build on. Your feedback and ideas are the most important ingredients as we continue to develop Premiere Pro. Thank you.